They don't want you to know this secret. The history of cats will blow your mind. Did you know that in ancient Egypt, cats were worshipped like gods? They were believed to be the embodiment of the goddess Bastet, and harming a cat was considered a serious crime. On the other hand, during medieval Europe, cats were seen as companions of witches. People believed they roamed the night, carrying out mysterious tasks. Throughout history, cats have been more than just pets. They've been symbols of mystery and power. Just imagine, the cat in your home might hold a piece of this fascinating history.